I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna knock this out. I could have paid somebody else to do it. I don't want to hang my wash on somebody else's clothesline. If I can do it myself, I'll do it. I can take as long as I want, get the power washer. I use it about 3 times a year. I mean, sometimes more, but usually about 3 times a year. It pays for itself already. Things are clean, mold free, last longer. So I bought me some carbine tips. Got all kind of new blades because these wear out pretty fast. So I'll show you how easy this oscillating tool is. Squeeze it in. Use this as a guide. One thing you might want to know, you see how that curve line is? You want the curve pointing down. The curve pointing down, the water runs off easier if the curve is pointing down.
Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go.
If you find that special lover,
I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion.
here it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's the old deck when I first got the house. I stated a different color, another different color thing. And that's how it looked last year. This year, I'm hoping for even a bigger and better look. Thanks for watching the channel. This is DeLon Jenkins.